Hello friends, it is chapter 6, Be my multiple, I will be your factors. बच्चों, इससे पहले वाले भी हमने क्लास में यही टॉपिक पढ़ा था, ये सेम चैप्टर पढ़ी थी, सेम चैप्टर, इट वाज बी माई मल्टीपल आई विल बी यूर फैक्टर्स. तो उस क्लास में हमने जो टॉपिक पढ़ा था इट वाज अबाउट फैक्टर, इट वाज अबाउट फैक्टर. तो व्हाट इज मीन बाय फैक्टर? सी ए नंबर विच एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड अदर नंबर. A number that divide another number exactly without leaving remainder is called factor of given number. जो भी नंबर है, अगर कोई एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर को exactly डिवाइड करता है मतलब रिमाइंडर में 0 आता है, then that number is the factor of another number. ये हमने पढ़ा था बेटा. देखिए उसके बाद हमने फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 14, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 65, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 27, फैक्टर ऑफ 120, इस तरह के कुछ एग्जाम्पल हमने डिस्कस किए थे. मीन्स फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर ऑफ फॉलोइंग नंबर्स, ये क्वेश्चन था और उसमें हमने कुछ एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस किए थे. तो सी इन टुडेज क्लास इट इज अबाउट HCF. इट इज अबाउट HCF. तो इट इज शॉर्ट फॉर्म. सो व्हाट इज फुल फॉर्म of this SCF? तो SCF का फुल फॉर्म क्या होगा? What is the full form of this SCF? क्या होगा बच्चों इसका फुल फॉर्म? See, H means highest. H stand for highest. Then next it is C stand for common, and it is F stand for factor. F stand for factor. So this is the full form of HCF, highest common factor. What is this? It is the full form of HCF, highest common factor. Okay? Now see. Highest means क्या होगा बेटा? The factor highest means having highest value. Then common means जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है आपका, दो नंबर है, any two numbers are there and we have to find out the SCF those two number. तो इस उन दोनों नंबर के फैक्टर में जो फैक्टर कॉमन होंगे, एक जैसे होंगे, उसे बोलते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर. एंड देन फैक्टर. सी इट इज क्वेश्चन. See what is this? Find out SCF of following numbers. Find out SCF of following numbers. See, highest, 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 it is highest. Then C, it is common, and C, it is F, it is factor. Okay? Now see, question है, find out SCF of following number. ये जो नंबर से भी हम जो एग्जाम्पल लेंगे, इस नंबर का हमें SCF फाइंड आउट करना है. नंबर 1 देखिए, it is 12 and 18. So what is this? 12 and 18. Now what we have to do here? We have to find out the SCF of 12 and 18. तो see what are the steps to find out the SCF. अब SCF निकालने का स्टेप्स क्या है? सबसे पहले देखिए, फर्स्ट नंबर इज 12. सो फाइंड आउट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. अब 12 के फैक्टर्स हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. सी व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. 12 के क्या फैक्टर्स होंगे बेटा? आपने इससे पहले कल पिछली वाली क्लास में भी 12 के फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट किए थे. सी 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. ये क्या है बच्चों? These are the factors of 12. Next, so this is the list of factor of 12. Now next number is 18. Factors of 18. So what are the factors of 18? अभी 18 के फैक्टर क्या है? What are the factors of 18? तो see, what are the factors of 18? क्या है 18 के फैक्टर्स? 1, then it is 2, it is 3, then 6, 9, and 18. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are factors of 18. Now, yes, it is factor of 12, it is factor of 18. Now see, common factor. Common factors of 12 and 18. Common factor of 12 and 18. चलिए, कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 एंड 18. क्या है कॉमन फैक्टर इसमें देखिए तो. अब कॉमन फैक्टर मतलब क्या हुआ, ये जो आपके दोनों लिस्ट है, इन दोनों लिस्ट में जो फैक्टर्स है, 10 फर्स्ट फैक्टर और कॉमन फैक्टर. तो सी 1 इज हियर, सो 1 इज हियर आल्सो. सो व्हाट, 1 इज कॉमन फैक्टर. नेक्स्ट सी इज 2. 2 is here also in both list. 2 is in both list. So again you can write it 2. Then see 3 is here. 3 is here. Okay. So 3 is here also common factor. Next 6 and 6. 6 is also common factor. Then 12 is here but not here. 9 is here but not here. It is here but it is not here in this list. So these are not common factor. So only 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factor. So we can write 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factor. Now पहले बेटा हमने फैक्टर्स निकाले 12 के, देन 18 के फैक्टर, देन कॉमन फैक्टर निकाले. अब देखिए SCF. अब हमें हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 12 एंड 18 करना है बेटा. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 12 एंड 18. तो बताइए बच्चों, अभी ये जो फैक्टर है 1, 2, 3, 4, इनमें से ये जो कॉमन फैक्टर है, अब इनमें से हाईएस्ट वैल्यू वाला फैक्टर कौन सा है? द विच फैक्टर है द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू? व्हाट इज दैट फैक्टर? तो सी इट इज द 6 which has highest value. So highest common factor is 6. Highest common factor is 6. So this way we can find out. First of all, we have to find out list of the factor of given number. This is 12 and 18. Then make the list of common factors. And from this common list, the list of the common factor, we have to find out which one has the highest value. इसका value सबसे highest है. That is 6. So we can write here the 6 is SCF of 18 and 12 and 18. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Example number 2. It is number 2 example 24 and 68. So these are two numbers here. The same we have to repeat here. First step is factor of 24. Factor of 24 and second number is C. Factors of 68. चलिए हम यहाँ पर अभी इनका लिस्ट बनाते हैं. वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द लिस्ट ऑफ द कॉमन लिस्ट ऑफ द फैक्टर ऑफ 24 एंड 68. तो सी 1 इज फैक्टर ऑफ 24, देन 2, 3 8 जार 24, 4 6 जार 24 और 5 के टेबल में नहीं मिलेगा आपको. देन 6 4 जार 7 के टेबल में भी 24 नहीं है. देन 8 3 जार, then 12 and 24. 12 and 24. Okay? 12 and 24. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Now next number, factor of 68. So what are the factor of 68? अब 68 के फैक्टर क्या होंगे देखिए तो 1, देन देखिए यहाँ पर 68 2 से डिवाइड होगा. 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. So what is this? It is 34. So 2 is factor and 34 is also factor. लेकिन उससे पहले कोई है कि देखिए तो ये 2 और 34 तो दोनों फैक्टर तो हो जाएंगे बेटा, बोथ आर द फैक्टर. बट नेक्स्ट 3 से डिवाइड करके देखते हैं. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, देन 8, 3 2 are 6, it is 2, so 22 is not, 22 is here, but remainder is 2 here, not 0, so 3 is not factor. Next, try to with 4, try to divide by 4 here now, 4 से डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं अभी, चलिए 68 by 4, 4 ones are 4, then see 4 sevens are 28, it is 17, it is 4 into 17. तो what we have to do, हमें क्या करना है, 1, 2, then it is 4, 17, 34 and 68. So these are these 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. These are the factors of 68. Now see, this is list of 24, this is list of 68. Now common factor of 24 and 68. Common factor of, say, common factors of 24 and 68. तो क्या होगा, व्हाट आर द कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 24 एंड 68? अब इनके कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होंगे, देखिए कॉमन फैक्टर 24, 68. सो व्हाट आर द कॉमन, सी इट इज 1, 1 is here, it is 2, 2 is here, then 4, 4 is here, and then see other factor of these 3, 6, 8 and 12, these 4 factor are not in this list, so only these 3 are common here, so we can write here 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 1, 2 and 4, these are the factors of 24 and 68. What? 1, 2 and 4, these are the factors of 24 and 68. Any doubt? No. Then HCF of 24 and 68. So see, among this common factor 1, 2 and 4, ये जो common factor है, among this common factor 1, 2 and 4, which factor has the highest value? See, this factor has highest value, it is 4, so our answer is highest common factor is 4. Highest common factor is 4. So this way, here we find out the factors of common factor SCF of 24 and 68. Now, example number 3. It is example number 3. See, it is 15 and 39. 15 and 39. It's very simple. See, first step, factors of 15. क्या होगा यहाँ पर, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15? 15 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? सी 1, देन इट इज इवन ऑड नंबर, इट इज ऑड नंबर, सो इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 फैक्टर नहीं होगा बिकॉज 2 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ ओनली इवन नंबर. देन इट इज 3 5 आर 15, देन 5 3 आर 15 एंड लास्ट में होगा आपका 15. सो दीज आर 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are 4 factors of 15. Next, factors of 39. What are the factors of 39? अब 39 के factors क्या है बताइए? What are the factors of 39? आइए देखते हैं. See, 1 is factor of 39. Again, I told you that already. I told you it is even. Oh, sorry, it is odd number. 39. So 2 is the factor 39. Then क्या होगा फिर? 3 से देखिए. 3 ones are 3. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 3 is factor here. Then देखिए 3 से जब डिवाइड करते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन 13 है. इसका मतलब 13 से भी हम यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन 13 है और रिमाइंडर 0 है. इसका मतलब 39 को 13 से भी डिवाइड होगा. 13 3s are 39. So 13 and 3 both are the factor of 39 here. So the next, it is 13 and last one is 39. So these are the 4 factor of 39. 1, 3, 13 and 39. 1, 3, 13 and 39. These are the 4 factors of 39. Now, common factor of 15 and 39. Common factor of 15 and 39. देखिए common factors of 15 and 39. Now see what are the common factor of? It is 1, 1, 3, 3, and then see 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Common factors are 15 and 39. These are the two common factors of 39. 15 and 39. Okay. So next step is HCF of 15 and 39. HCF, highest common factor of 15 and 39. What are the highest common factor of 15 and 39? So see, among these two factors, 3 is there and this 3 is highest common factor. So what we can write? It is, answer is 3. The HCF of 15 and 39, it is 3. Okay? It is 3. Highest common factor of 15 and 39, it is 3. Okay? Next. Now next number, it is 4 number. See, 26 and 38. 26 and 38. So see, first step is factors of 26. Factors of 26. So what are the factor of 26? और 26 के factors क्या होंगे देखिए? 1 is factor of 26. Then this number is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. See, 26 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. It is 2. Again, when you divide by 2 here, your remainder is 0 and your quotient is 30. What is that? 13. It means 2 and 13 both are the factor of 26. Then it is 13. देखिए करके देखिए 26 by 13, 13 to the 26. तो सिर्फ 13 and last 26. लास्ट में क्या आपको 26. So 1, 2, 13 and 26. These are the four factors of 26. Now next, factors of 38. Factors of 38. Now what are the factors of 38? See, 1. Again see, this is factor. This number is even number. So it is divisible by 2. I already told you every even number is divisible by 2. It means the 2 is the factor of each and every even number. So again 2 is factor there. See, when you will divide by 2 here, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So see, when you divide by 2, our quotient is 0 0, so it is 19. 19 and next factor is 38. 38. So these are the four factors of 38, 1, 2, 19 and 38. Now, common factors of 19 and 38. What are the common factors of 19 and 38? क्या है इसके कॉमन फैक्टर फिर? What are the common factor of 19 and 38? See, it is 1, 1, 2, 2. क्या लिखेंगे फिर? 1 and 2. Common factors of 19 and 38, it is 1 and 2. Then see, SCF of, sorry, it is not 19, it is 26. It is 26. Common factor of 26 and 38. SCF of 26 and 38. What is the common factor of it? Is 1 and 2 common factor है. इनमें से सबसे हाईएस्ट कौन है बेटा? 2 है. So 2 is what? 2 is our answer. It is SCF. So this is today's class about SCF. Here we discuss about the 4 examples. So this is for today's class. Thank you.